Hi, welcome to Evangel Temple. I'm Sydney.
Hi, and I'm Salsa. Let us show you around and give you a glimpse of what to expect.
This is a lobby where everything's connected. While you're here, stop by the ET Café and grab a cup of coffee and food.
Hi guys,
Hi.
How are y'all?
We would like 2 Dr. Peppers. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Just
Y'all
what
have
I
a good day.
needed. You too.
You too.
Evangel Temple is located right here in Fort Smith, Arkansas. No matter what service you choose from, you will always have a friendly face to welcome you whenever you arrive. And if you have kids, ET Kids Check-In is your next stop. Come on and follow us.
Hi, Diana.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
We're good. During weekend services, we offer age-appropriate experiences for kids 6 weeks through 6th grade. These experiences are led by trained volunteers who will take your kids through fun, engaging lessons that are made just for them. All you have to do is check in your kid and pick them up after service. This frees you up to be able to meet people, attend the service, and more. All while knowing your kids are safe, having a blast, and learning about Jesus.
Oh, service is about to get started, so let's grab some seats. Each service is about an hour and a half long. You'll get to worship with God with great live music, hear about upcoming events, and learn about giving. Then we'll hop back into a time of worship. After worship, Pastor Mike will teach a message that will meet you right where you are.
After service, this is exactly where you want to be. Our team is so excited to meet you and help you get set up with any type of resources such as next steps or any questions that you may have.
Hey, Deacon Zane, can you tell us more about the missions we support? We cannot wait to see you in person and see what God does in you and through you at Evangel Temple. See you soon!